Laravel is full of elegant shortcuts that turn dozens of lines of PHP into a single clean expression. In this video, we'll explore the best one-liners every Laravel developer should know, from caching queries and validating requests to dispatching jobs and manipulating collections. What makes Laravel's one-liners so powerful compared to traditional PHP code? Laravel's one-liners are powerful because they combine expressive syntax, built-in helpers, and facades to drastically reduce boilerplate code. In plain PHP, you often need to write multiple lines, include files, check conditions, and write SQL manually. Laravel abstracts this away. For example, validating an email in PHP might take 10+ lines with filter_var, conditionals, and error handling. In Laravel, it's just $request-a-validate. Email equals required email. This makes code shorter, more readable and maintainable, while still enforcing strict validation rules. Developers can focus on business logic rather than low-level implementation. Can you give an example of a one-liner for caching database queries? $users equals cache. Remember, users, 60, fn, equals user, all. Here's what happens in one line. Checks if users is already cached. If yes, returns it immediately, no DB query. If no, runs user, all, stores the result in cache for 60 minutes, then returns it. This is extremely efficient for expensive queries. Without Laravel, you'd manually connect to Redis or Memcached, serialize data, handle cache expiry, all in multiple lines. Laravel abstracts this into a clean one-liner. How can you validate request data in a single line in Laravel? $request-a-validate. Email equals required email. This one line does multiple things. Ensures the email field is present, required. Ensures it follows a valid email format, email. If validation fails, Laravel automatically redirects back with error messages. No need to write manual conditionals. It saves at least 15 to 20 lines of procedural validation code in plain PHP. This is important because validation is a common task and reducing boilerplate makes the code cleaner and safer. Show a one-liner to generate a secure random password. $password equals str. Random, 12. This instantly generates a cryptographically secure 12-character string. Developers can use it for temporary user passwords, API tokens, unique identifiers. Normally, in PHP, you'd write custom loops with empty_rand or opencil_random_bytes, then convert bytes into characters. Laravel simplifies this into one expressive line. How can you dispatch a job in one line? Process podcast. Dispatch $podcast. This sends the job process podcast to Laravel's queue system. Laravel automatically handles serializing the job, sending it to the configured queue, Redis, database, SQS, etc., processing it via workers. In raw PHP, you'd have to manage background processes, threads, or cron jobs. Laravel makes async job processing as easy as calling a function, just one line. What's an example of a one-liner using collections? $total equals collect A10, 20, 30, -sum. This one-liner wraps the array 10, 20, 30 into a collection, instantly sums the values. Collections offer powerful chaining like $names equals collect user, all, pluck, name, sort, values. That would take multiple for each loops in plain PHP. Collections make data manipulation expressive and shenable. How do you define a simple route with a closure in one line? Route get /hello fn equals hello world. This registers a new GET route /hello that simply returns hello world. Normally in PHP, you'd have to check $_server, request_URI, parse query params, and handle headers manually. Laravel reduces all that to one expressive line, keeping routes clean and easy to read. Can you show a one-liner to run a database migration or seed data? PHP artisan migrate, seed. This command runs all pending migrations, database structure updates, seeds data with predefined records. In raw SQL or plain PHP, you'd need to run migration scripts, then insert test data separately. Laravel's one-liner combines it into a single command, which is developer-friendly and consistent across environments. Why do companies value developers who know Laravel's one-liners? Because one-liners demonstrate deep framework knowledge and efficiency. A developer who uses them writes less code, fewer bugs, produces readable, maintainable code that teammates can understand quickly, saves time in development which directly impacts project deadlines. Companies see such developers as productive and reliable, since they can build robust features faster without reinventing the wheel. Like, share, and don't forget to subscribe for more full-stack content.